For newly connected Luxor controllers, no groups, themes, or schedules are created, but color C1 through C10 come pre-installed and appear right away on the color screen. To help set up your Luxor system, the Setup Wizard guides you step by step, from adding groups to automatically creating a basic nightly theme and finally building a simple sunset to sunrise schedule. During each step, helpful information cards explain what groups, themes, and schedules are and how they function within the Luxor system. To begin using the Setup Wizard, open the Luxor app, enter the Settings menu, and select Setup Wizard. Select Start Setup from the Setup Wizard home screen. Scroll through the information cards to gain a better understanding of Luxor groups. Press Start Adding Groups. Begin by adding the total number of groups you have on the system. Note, it's best practice to have your system designed ahead of time so you can accurately add the correct number of groups during the Setup Wizard. However, you can always add more groups later directly from the group screen. Press Apply. Enter the desired name for each group. By default, each group name will match its corresponding group number. Press Done. Press Continue. For groups that contain ZDC fixtures, zoning, dimming, color, select the radio button to the left of the group card. Once selected, the group card will switch from non-color to color mode with a default color of C1. Press Save and Continue. Once groups have been added, press Create Theme. Scroll through the information cards to learn more about themes and how they are used within the Luxor system. Press Create Theme. Enter a theme name. Note, this newly created theme contains all groups with their intensity set to 100%. For ZDC-capable groups, the default C1 color is automatically assigned. Press Save and Continue. Once the theme has been created, press Create Schedule. Cycle through the information cards to learn more about schedules and event-based programming. Press Create Schedule. By default, Program A is configured to turn on the newly created theme every night at sunset and turn it off at sunrise each day of the week. Press Save and Finish. Press Done. Now that initial setup is complete, press Go to Dashboard. By using the Luxor App Setup Wizard, you have now created groups, themes, and a schedule to automate your light management.